About approximately 5 p.m. we had a tractor out here disking this field, and what happened was he caught a guide wire on one of these electric poles, and the pole actually fell down, the wires fell down, so we had live wires in the field that ignited the field. Okay, well, at the height of the fire, because of the potential for the spread, we had about 120 firefighters out here, 20 fire engines, 2 airplanes, and 2 helicopters. The danger was behind me. We had structures that were threatened in the city of Highland, and then we also had the forest, which is right behind me as well, that has potential to go up to the mountains.